Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We all know that one negative review from a customer can cause huge drop in our business sales. So, let me start with a quick story to understand better. A few months ago, a small cafe named Coffee Vibes went viral, but not in a good way. A single negative Google review written by an influencer spread like wildfire on social media. Within just 48 hours, their footfall dropped by 40% and the owner had no clue what to do. That's the power of online reputation today. And if you don't manage it, the internal will manage it for you. Sometimes in ways you don't like. So in this video, I am going to show step by step how to build, product and manage your online reputation like a pro. Whether you are a business owner, a freelancer or even a student building your personal brand. So let's get started. So we see first of all what is online reputation management. Simply put, online reputation management or ORM is how people perceive you or your brand on the internet. It's about monitoring, influencing and improving what people see when they search your name or your business online. Think of it like this. If someone Googles your name, what shows up first? A 5-star review or a complaint post on Twitter? That's ORM in action. Now let's see why is ORM important in India today. Let's face it, in India reputation spreads faster than news. Before buying anything, we all check Google reviews, YouTube opinions or Instagram comments. For example, imagine you are searching for a salon in Delhi. Two options appear. One with 4.8 stars and hundreds of happy reviews and another with a few negative comments about hygiene. Which one will you choose? Exactly. That's why 90% of customers trust online reviews as much as personal recommendations. There are three main pillars you need to focus in online reputation management. That is, monitor, track what people are saying about you. Second one is manage, respond and handle feedback smartly. And last one is magnify, promote positive stories and content about your brand. Think of it like a cricket match. Monitoring is watching the scoreboard. Managing is adjusting your strategy mid-game. And magnifying is celebrating your best shots on replay. Now we are gonna see how to monitor your online reputation. To manage your reputation, you first need to listen. Use tools like Google Alerts, Mention or even simple social media searches to track your brand name. Let's say you run a bakery in Mumbai. Set a Google Alert for Sweet Treats Mumbai. Every time someone mentions your brand online, you will get an instant email notification. It's like having a digital CCTV camera for your reputation. Now let's see how to handle negative reviews the right way. Negative reviews can sting, but here's the truth. A polite, smart response can turn critics into loyal fans. Take Zomato for example. When someone complains about a late delivery, they don't ignore it. They apologize, explain the reason and offer a coupon. This turns a bad moment into an opportunity for trust. Remember, never delete or ignore negative feedback. Respond calmly and professionally. Now let's see how to build a positive online reputation. Here's the fun part. Amplify your positives. Ask happy customers to leave reviews. Share testimonials on Instagram. Create behind the scenes videos and collaborate with micro influencers. A small business in Jaipur called Rajcraft did this beautifully. They started sharing short customer videos thanking them for handmade gift. The result is their follower count tripled and their sales doubled in just 3 months. People trust real people. Let's see how to implement ORM for personal branding. ORM isn't just for businesses. If you are a freelancer, student or professional, your LinkedIn, Instagram and portfolio define your reputation. Let's say you are applying for a job. HR managers will Google your name before hiring you? What if they find your old Facebook rant or unprofessional post? That's why you should curate your digital footprint. Update your LinkedIn, post thoughtful content, and remove anything that doesn't reflect your goals. Now let's see some tools and platforms for ORM. Here are some amazing tools you can use. First one, Google Alerts to track brand mentions, Hootsuite or Buffer to monitor social media, Trustpilot, Glassdoor and GMP, Google by Business to manage customer reviews, Canva and CapCut to create positive brand content easily. Remember, these tools are helpful, but consistency is the real secret weapon. Let's see some common ORM mistakes to avoid. Here are a few common mistakes. Ignoring negative reviews, fighting with customers online, buying fake followers or reviews, not having a clear brand voice. A famous Delhi restaurant once went viral for arguing in the comment section with a customer, and that single argument made them lose over 10,000 followers overnight. So always respond with grace and maturity. Now let's see an important thing, how to recover a damaged online reputation. If you already have bad reviews or negative articles, don't panic. You can rebuild your image. Start publishing positive blog posts and videos. Collaborate with influencers or press releases to share success stories. Keep engaging genuinely with your audience. Over time, positivity will outrank negativity. One great Indian example is Snapdeal. After facing black cash for delayed deliveries years ago, they focused heavily on customer support and communication. Today, their online image is far more positive than it used to be. So friends, remember this. Your online reputation is like your digital Aadhaar card. It represents your trust, credibility and authenticity. You can fully control what people say about you, but you can control how you respond and what you consistently create. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more real world digital marketing lessons every week. This is Danush signing off. And remember, build your brand before someone else define it for you.